In Europe, most of us live in urban areas where life moves fast. I came here to Ismayilli to enjoy a slower pace and some of life's finer things. Good food and wine, gorgeous nature, and quiet. Join me on this weekend trip through Azerbaijan's countryside. We won't get anywhere fast, but I promise you'll enjoy the ride.
Welcome to Ivanovka, home to what was once the last kolkhoz in the Caucasus. Now labeled as an agro-park, Ivanovka remains a collective farm, where farmers share their crops and earnings. This village has a fascinating history, and a good place to learn about it is the Molokin Cultural Center.
Здесь это наше село в далеком прошлом.
This remarkable collection of personal memorabilia tells the story of the Molokins, a Russian Christian minority whose religious views got them banished to the Caucasus. They founded Ivanovka in 1847, and the community still maintains its strong identity.
В нашем музее насчитывается более 2000 экспонатов, но и все равно прибавляется все больше и больше. Каждый раз был обогащен вот именно нашими старинными экспонатами, которые дают нам взгляды на то, что как наши предки жили, как работали, и в данном случае оставить память об истории села Ивановки.
But Ivanovka isn't living in the past. Its contemporary culture is very much alive. In this beautiful auditorium that hosts dance troupes and concerts, and the newly renovated Demir Art House, where young artists from Baku come to create in an idyllic setting. New residents are settling in, opening guest houses and cafes for tourists, like the Ohio Inn and Cafe run by Hassan.
So this is getting popular, this village getting popular. People come here, they love the quietness of this place. Nice food, organic foods.
I've heard a lot about the quality of the local products in this region, so I'm off to meet a farmer to taste some of Ivanovka's famous honey.
Andrei Antifeev is a third-generation beekeeper in Ivanovka. His honey has won awards at international competitions. The secret is the wide variety of fragrant plants and flowers that his bees pollinate, made accessible by these giant portable beehives. He organizes tours and tastings for visitors.
Тут сейчас представлены два вида меда. Вот это мед майский и начало лета. Как сказать, вкус у них разный, запах разный и цвет. Тест давайте сделаем.
Yeah, I really like this one. It tastes different.
Agro-tourism is thriving in the Ismayilli region, and September, harvest time, is one of the most exciting times to visit. I'm getting in on the fun at Shabiant Winery, which invites visitors to help with the grape picking and stomping. It's a convivial moment that brings consumers and producers together.
Now it's my turn. I've got my basket, I've got my clippers, I've got my boots. Let's pick some grapes.
Shabiant's grapes benefit from Shirvan Valley's unique microclimate and the volcanic nature of the soil. Italian winemaker Marco Catalani is the mastermind behind Shabiant's unique philosophy.
La nostra filosofia è quella di portare le nostre conoscenze e adottarle nel mondo a zero. Mondo a zero vuol dire tradizioni, vuol dire paesaggi, scoprire persone che ci possono dare tutti gli spunti possibili per aumentare il potenziale della viticoltura.
Marco gave me a peek at the production process. The grapes mature in stainless steel tanks and oak barrels, which give the wines a complex aroma and taste. I couldn't leave before enjoying the fruits of my labor, poolside at Shabiant's guest house.
We have our own grapes, 2,050 hectares, and 6 varieties. And we want to take off the local varieties such as Bayan Shara and Madrasa. Bayan Shara has a lot of the fruity, maracuja, citrus aromas, and vanilla. The second one is Madrasa. This wine is a deep intensity color, deep like a garnet, deep ruby.
Local dishes pair perfectly, highlighting delicious late summer produce from this mountainous region. There was even cheese made in Ivanovka.
It feels like farm to table is just standard living out here. And it's been a delicious journey learning how to enjoy the slow life in Ismayilli and Ivanovka.